Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can view hidden files in Android phone. Let's get started. Open your file manager in your Android phone. Then you have to choose where you want to view the hidden files. You can choose internal storage or SD card, and I'll go with my internal storage. So just click on internal storage, and what we're going to do next is just click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen, and you have to choose settings right here. And there will be several options for you, and if you want to show hidden system files, you have to click on this toggle button. Let's click it, and we can go back to the file manager. And alright guys, this is the system hidden files. Okay guys, that's how we can view hidden files in Android phone. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to like, leave your comments, and also subscribe this channel. Bye!